Hello and welcome. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. This one is from a company called OutdoorTide, and they contacted me and asked me if I would like to do an unboxing of some of their products for them, and I said yes, of course. Their website, they have they're budget friendly. They have diamond paintings, cross stitch, paint by numbers, that sort of thing. They have a large variety of all of those. So anyway, I went on there and I chose one item because I absolutely loved it as soon as I saw it. So anyway, this took about 2 weeks to come in. We're in Australia, so that's pretty good travel time actually. So let's jump in and have a look. So it comes in your standard bag, and I've got one cross stitch. And this one is a Joy Sunday. Love Joy Sundays. They come in these resealable bags. They're great for holding your projects, that sort of thing. On the back they've got directions on how to cross stitch and wash your stamped cross stitch, that sort of thing. But this one is of this gorgeous fox. Oh, I saw that and I'm like, oh, I just love that. It is so beautiful. So this is a 14 count stamped cross stitch. It is 54 by 42 centimeters, so it's a really beautiful size. I love this. I believe it is a partial. But anyway, we'll jump in and have a look. So that's why I love these zip seal bags, because they keep your projects nice and clean and portable. If I can just get this out. So you have your canvas and your colors and chart and cover sheet. Wow, there's actually a few pages in there. So that's a proper cover sheet, but oh, isn't that absolutely lovely? Oh gosh, I just love the colors. It's so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll get in and have a look. So this one here, we'll get all the colors out of the road. And that's the canvas. Wow, that's actually really soft. It's really nice. Now with Joy Sunday, you have these beautiful hemmed edges, which I absolutely love. And that looks amazing. So yes, it is a partial, which means that you don't stitch the whole thing. You just stitch part of it. So this bit here, the sky and that, you don't stitch. But that looks beautifully printed. How many colors? We've got 43 colors. And that looks really, really good actually. It's a great size. I just can't get over how soft that is. Got a little bit of, looks like a little bit of warping here, but it's not. It's actually printed funny. But that looks really good. Beautifully printed. I'm just having a look to see if there's any, there's no confetti or anything like that. You just got areas that have more detail than others, but that looks pretty good actually. On the symbol key here, you've got these sort of partial symbols, so I'm just going to have a look on the graph. So they do give you a graph, so if you do need to cross-reference it, it is there. It's very, very handy. There's actually a few pages on that. A few pages there. And that's your sort of cover sheet there. But oh, isn't that gorgeous? And then it shows you with the graph which page corresponds to what part of the image. It is 252 stitches by 185. And you use 2 strands because it is 14 counts. So there is your symbol key there. It's got your DMC cross reference. And you have full stitches, half stitches, and back stitch. So you've got the lot. So you've got a fair few back stitch colors. 3, 6, 7 back stitch colors. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half stitches, so that'd be your that symbol there. Your half stitches will most likely be in the background, yes, so it's up here, so it sort of gives it like a soft effect, not a full color stitch. And half stitch, a full stitch is your cross, a half stitch is just one diagonal stitch, which is nice and easy to do. But yep, that is no problem sorting all those out. All your half stitches are all up here and around there, so that's easy to follow. Your back stitching will be your details, which is just on the fox's ear, sort of outlining this, a few little hairs there. There's a back stitch around his face, around his eye. That is how they sort of show you back stitching colors. And there's just detailing some of these flowers in the bottom there, in that sort of the flowers and the vegetation. So, and also outlining, yeah, some of the flowers in this section here. So there is a bit of back stitch in there, but yeah, I reckon it's going to come up absolutely beautiful, and it just sort of makes the image a bit more sharper, and you can sort of get those bits that stand out from the background. But that looks amazing so far. Let's have a look at those colors. So you've got pre-sorted threads on these cards. There's 2 cards there, and then you have 2 needles that they supply there, and you have, let me see, 14 count, 2 strands that you use, and you can see there it's very easy to cross-reference. That's color number 41, and that's your DMC color. But these colors, I just love how you've got the beautiful colors of the fox, and you've got those gorgeous flowers in the background. Look at those beautiful colors. I love that blue, the blue and the pinks. Wow. Ugh. Trying to wrangle these colors. There we go. That's better. Beautiful long threads. They are actually very long and soft. On the other side we got green and gray, and then on the other card got some beautiful greens, purples, really beautiful threads. Then you got these bright yellows and soft oranges. Really beautiful. Oh, that's going to look amazing. How pretty is that? Yeah, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. But look at those colors, and they're beautiful and soft. Really gorgeous. All right, we'll get that back again. So we've got this absolutely beautiful canvas and the cover sheet. Beautiful fox. How absolutely gorgeous is that? Absolutely beautiful. So that is my latest item that I got from OutdoorTide. I will link this in the description box below, as well as their website. Yeah, if you haven't checked them out before, jump on there and have a bit of a look. They have a large variety of, like I said, diamond paintings, cross stitch, paint by numbers, that sort of thing. Very easy to follow their website. So yeah, jump on there and have a look if you haven't done so before. As I said, I'll link this product in the description box below. I'd like to thank OutdoorTide very much for sending this out to me for review. I will, in a future video further on down the track, I will do a proper section of this to show you how it comes up, and if I had any issues, that sort of thing. So keep your eyes peeled for that video in the not too distant future. So thank you, OutdoorTide, very much for sending this out to me for review, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!